Hi, here to discuss the 9 times tables. In my years of teaching, I have found out that multiples of 9 seem to be a difficult one for people to remember. So I'm going to break it down for you 3 different ways that I'm able to remember this. One which I just learned very recently and I think is very cool. So starting with figuring out 9 times tables. Well, the 10s are easy. So if I'm going to multiply 9 times 1, if I did 9 times 10, I would get 10, but then if I subtract the number that I multiplied by 1, I would get 9. Now if I wanted to do 9 times 2, well, I'll just do 10 times 2, which is 20, and then take away the number I'm multiplying by, 2. And 20 minus 2 is 18, so 9 times 2 is 18. Now if I was going to do 9 times 3, instead I'll just do 10 times 3, which is 30, and then subtract the number that I'm multiplying by. 30 minus 3 is 27. And if I want to do 9 times 4, well, I'll just do 10 times 4 and get 40, and then subtract the number I multiply by 4, and I get 36. And I can do the same thing for 9 times 5, would be 50, but then subtract the 5, and that gives me 45. So 9 times 5 is 45. Now the cool thing is, I really only have to go up to there because after I hit the 45, it's like a mirror image. It goes backwards. 5, 4, then 6, 3, 7, 2, 8, 1, and 90. Check that out. 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. And if I went this way, 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. Literally like a selfie mirror image. Okay, but here's the one that I learned this weekend that kind of just blew my mind. Let's see. You're going to need to see my hands. So I got to prop you up. Put you on my leg. Let's see. Does this work? Nope, sorry. Spazzing out here. What if I do this? That might work. Okay. Bear with me. I'm trying to get stable. There we go. Okay, here are my hands. Now, you can do this anytime, putting your hands in front of you if you ever get lost with your 9 times tables. Okay? So, if I'm going to do 9 times 1, then I'm going to put down my first finger. My first finger. This one. And I count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Now if I wanted to do 9 times 2, then I'm going to put down my second finger, 1, 2, and then I count 1, and what's left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 1 and 8, which is 18. Now if I was going to do 9 times 3, I'll put down my third finger, 1, 2, 3. Put this one down. And I have 2 fingers on this side of it, so that gives me a 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27. Cool, right? So now if you want to do 9 times 4, put your 1, 2, 3, fourth finger in down, and count. You have 1, 2, 3 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side, so that gives us 36. It works all the way. If you do it times 4, if you do it, I'm sorry, I'm just losing it here. If you want to do times 5, put your fifth finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth finger. That gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So 45. Pretty cool, right? Keep going all the way to the end. Check it out. 9 times tables.